Hello students, welcome to class 11 biology. Today I am going to give instructions for writing biobotany record. Already for biozoology it is being done and I think you have started with your record work. So biobotany manual which will be uploaded in our website will be like this. You can just scroll through this. So we need not write anything from here. Your writing part starts from here. Preparation and demonstration of slide that we have learned in first lesson, preparation of slide. For this, you have to write the heading, preparation and demonstration of slide, then aim, principle, requirements. That will be there in your first page. Second page, exercise 1. You have to draw the diagram on your left side of the record. Right hand side you can write diagnostic features, all the points whichever is given here. I repeat, on your right side you should write the heading bacteria within bracket lactobacillus. Then you write diagnostic features, underline. Then you write the notes. Left hand side of your record, you have to write the heading bacteria lactobacillus. Then draw the diagram as such given here. Okay, so then that's all for the first exercise. Follow. So we have completed with 2 pages now. First page, preparation and demonstration of slides, aim, principle, requirement. Second page, exercise 1. Next, moving on for the third page, the same way you have to write exercise number, heading, underline, diagnostic features, underline. That's all. Whichever is given in this colored box, you need not be writing. Okay, so exercise A and B will be there. You follow only one rule, one page, one diagram. Do you follow? One page, one diagram. Okay, so that is how it goes. One page, one diagram. For all these things you have to draw the diagram and write notes. So here, mitosis in onion root tip, aim, principle, requirements you have to write. Okay, so then next page you have to write mitosis stages. So this we will do along with the theory. Whichever is given in the light gray color box, you need not be writing. Follow? So then this TS of dicot root in one page and notes you should write. Dicot stem in another page, notes you should write. Okay, so then dicot leaf, diagram one page, and towards right hand side you should write the notes. Here it is like a comparative note it is given, but you have to draw monocot root in one page and write. Next page monocot stem in one page and write. Follow? So that is how you should write for all the other experiments. Do you follow? So whichever is given in gray box, there is no need of you writing. Whichever is given in orangish color box, you should write, and diagnostic feature and diagram. Okay, and floral dissection. Coming to floral dissection, you have to write the floral characters. Okay, so floral characters and diagram. Need not draw diagram. Once I teach you how to draw diagram, you can draw the diagram. I repeat, floral character, that is exercise 12. You have to write only, don't draw the diagram. I should teach you how to draw the diagram, then only you can go with it. Follow? No diagram for exercise 12 and 13. only writing notes. Then moving on for the other biomolecule nutrient test. Here the tabular column should come towards your left hand side of your record. All tabular columns towards left hand side of your record. Then this one diagram towards left and all the other notes as such towards your right hand side. Okay, so that is how the experiments goes. So for all the experiment you have to draw the diagram and write notes. And for exercise 12 and 13 you are not going to draw the diagram. Once I give you the explanation you can draw the diagram. Do you follow? With that this biobotany record ends. Okay, so you have to write your record with pencil and follow the instructions carefully, and you write and submit the record. If you happen to make any mistake, you come and report to me immediately. Don't take your corrective measures. Okay, don't take your own corrective measures. Follow? So that is all for your biobotany record. Thank you, students.